Though, as seen in the title of this post, often written online or pronounced as dough. Confusing. Make sure to check out the other examples on richierocks.com. And here's one more. We didn't start the fire. The point is not who started the fire, though. We didn't start the fire. The point is not who started the fire, though. We didn't start the fire, boy. When you say it like that, it does sound like you maybe don't care very much about what's happening. You don't want to own the part of it that's yours. So I'm not trying to throw Billy Joel under the bus. And they tried to fight it. They tried to fight it. You don't roll up the hoses till the fucking fire's out. You put the fire out. Like fucking the firemen in the Charles Bradley video. They get back to the station. Oh, it's still burning. No, it's still burning. We tried to fight it. Billy Joel was around 40 when he wrote We Didn't Start the Fire. 40 years old, maybe he was starting to feel a little disillusioned. Believing things the same way that you did at a younger age. Charles Bradley was, however, over 60 when The World Is Going Up in Flames came out. Well, it's a good thing we didn't throw Billy under the bus. If the video would have come out this month, if The World Is Going Up in Flames video came out today, there would have been many more shots of white police officers, and the shots would have been much more brutal. It's amazing how pertinent the lyrics and the images in the video are to the moment that we're living today, until you consider how pertinent they were in the year 2011 when the song came out, or when you consider how pertinent they were for the hundreds of years of social injustice before that. Took us a while.